Hi friends, how are you today? Today's video is about the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar, and it's called the Glittering Galaxy of Makeup Magic. I had been wanting this for so long, and I kept putting it off because it's not cheap. I think it was originally either $200 or $300. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I was like, I can't pay that much for an advent calendar, but it went on 50% off, I think it was, and on Rakuten, there was another either 10 or 15% for Charlotte Tilbury, and so I was like, yeah, I need to just go ahead and get it because it looked like so much fun. If you haven't seen my Rakuten video, or if you haven't used Rakuten, I will link it up here for you. It's free money when you shop. There are no strings attached to it. You just shop through Rakuten and then you get cash back. They give you a check every quarter, I think it is. So my last one that I just got was 150 something. And that's just for shopping from, the previous quarter. Here it is. This is, like I said, the Charlotte Tilbury Glittering Galaxy of Makeup Magic. You can see it there. And I just love this blue with the rose gold and silver all over it. So it's just so pretty. It opens up so it's completely round, as you can see. And it opens up right here. And then on the back is a list of everything that's in there, I'm assuming. Okay, so it is magnetic. I'll put it up here so you can see it. It opens like that. Oh my goodness, how pretty is this? Now, it's not just a regular advent calendar. Usually advent calendars have, if you saw my friend's advent calendar, it had the numbers. So that one had 25, some have 24, and some have 12. This one's 12, but it doesn't have the days on it. Usually it'll have like one for December 1st, two for December 2nd, and so on. So here we just have the drawers, and I honestly don't remember what's in here. I know there are several full-size products, but I don't remember what they are. So let me look at it, because I haven't actually looked at it. I literally just took it out of the box. That's just really pretty to sit on your vanity, maybe to put your jewelry in, don't you think? I think it's really pretty. I think I will start up here. This is, I just looked and it was out of stock, but they come back in stock because I had wanted it, like I said, and it went out of stock, and I was like, dang it. Well, I got an email and I went and looked and it was back in stock. So things do kind of come and go. So if you're interested in it, definitely check to see, here and there if it comes back in stock. And you know what? It's not something that you like have to have in the holiday season. If it comes back in stock in January and you want it, then get it, right? It still has really great products in it. And so it's not just like a Christmassy or holiday type of thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and look in the first little box. Actually, it's not a box. It's kind of like a pie, right? That's so pretty. And in there is Charlotte's Magic Cream. I've heard a lot about this, but I have never used it. So here it is. I'm going to smell it because I have to smell of everything. It has a very light scent. It kind of reminds me of maybe like a Pond's scent, like the Pond's cold cream. That's kind of what it reminds me of. But this is Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. All right, so that's the first box. Second box is here. This is the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. So that's a nice little travel size. I don't usually use clay masks. Normally you use those like if you have oily skin. I don't have oily skin, so that might be something that I give as a gift or sell or something. I don't know. Maybe put in a giveaway. Third box. Oh, is another little tube there. Let's see what it is. This is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash. So I've heard of this a lot. People do like this, but I've never used it. I don't know if it has colors. Okay, it is tinted. I'm just gonna put it, just whatever was on the lid there on the back of my hand. Yeah, it does have a color, but it shears out to nothing. I mean, you can't even see it there. And you know, I have super fair skin. So I'll definitely try that. And just so you know, today, actually, since I knew I was going to be opening this for you guys, I used several Charlotte Tilbury products that I have. So I have the foundation. It's like the Light Wonder or something. I can't remember. I've had it for a while and I really do like it. It has a nice finish and it's more skin-like than full coverage, so I like that. I also used lipstick and it's the color Glowing Gin. And did I get it because it's called Glowing Gin? Yes, I did. And I like it. I do have Marc Jacobs gloss on top of it. And then blush is, I think it's called Love Spell. And then the eyes, like an eye cream type of deal. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, that's what it is. Okay, so that's 3. All right, so number 4. This is the Color Chameleon Champagne Diamonds for Blue Eyes. I do not have blue eyes, but that does not mean that I can't use it. And I definitely will use it. It's pretty. These are the types of things that are just super easy just to swipe on and put on some mascara and go. So I like things like this. Number 5. Legendary Lashes Volume 2. I have not tried any. This is a small one. I have not tried any of Charlotte Tilbury's mascaras. And I've been wanting to try, I actually wanted to try the full fat lashes. I don't know why, just because it sounds neat. I'm glad I got this because I've definitely wanted to try some of her mascaras. Number 6. Ooh, what is the liner? This is Amber Moon. Oh, I bet that's pretty. It's Rockin' Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. How is it liquid? It's not liquid like the regular liquid is. But that's a really, really pretty color. I like that. This, and this, and you're done with your eyes, right? So I've made it through all of these. So we are going to start now over here and get to number 7. So this is a makeup remover, I can already tell. And this is one of the ones that you shake, so you can see that it's separated there. This is the Take It All Off Genius Eye Makeup Remover. So I won't shake it, but there you go. Number 8. Supermodel Body Visibly Slimmer Shimmer Shape Hydrate and Glow. Whew. Okay, let's try that again. Visibly Slimmer Shimmer Shape Hydrate and Glow Supermodel Body. I'm assuming this is a cream, but it has a tint. You see that? It has a tint. I don't know. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Has a little bit of a scent. You can see it just, no, maybe right there. You can see that right there. So probably this is just a lotion that it has a little bit of a shimmer in it. So you put it on your legs. You know, when you're a little tanner, it makes you look a little slimmer. So I think that's what this is for. 9. Another little tube. Let's see what it is. This is the Multi Miracle Glow Cleanser, Mask, and Balm for Baby Soft Skin. So it's a cleanser, a mask, and a balm? I don't get it. It has a little bit of a scent. It actually smells really good. It does smell real perfumey though, so if you don't like something like that on your face, you might not want to get that. But it's just right there, but I don't know. I mean, how is it? I don't understand how it's a cleanser, a mask, and a balm for baby soft skin. Apply to dry skin, massage in, and wash off. Maybe it's for your body, not your face. Yeah, probably so. So this is probably like one of those things that you get, like, I know Dove has some, and maybe oil of Olay. And you just, it's like a cream, you put it on when you get in the shower and then you rinse it off, but it's not like a cleanser necessarily, so that's probably what that is. It smells good. Number 10 is a lipstick. Ooh, it's a lipstick. I feel like it says Sexy Lips. If I find it on the box, I will put it here, but I'm pretty sure it's Sexy Lips. I haven't tried any of these. Number 11, this one's a little bit heavy. Oh, this is the eye thing I was telling you about. So this is called Star Gold. Yeah, ooh, isn't that pretty? So it's like a mousse. So that's what this is. It's like a mousse, and then it's dry. It's not, it dries down. That's really pretty. and that will go really pretty with that liner too. Last one. I hope it's good. That's what I was hoping for. It is a lipstick, so let's see what it is. Oh, it's Pillow Talk. So if you know anything about Charlotte Tilbury, probably her most famous product was the Pillow Talk lip liner. I was going to put it on today, but I couldn't find it, and actually now I remember it's right there in the floor. It came out of a purse and I left it there, so that's where it's at. So the Pillow Talk lip liner was like so super popular, so she then made a bunch of things that were called Pillow Talk. So you have the lipstick, and then I believe there's a Pillow Talk palette, eye palette. She's done a whole lot with the Pillow Talk, so I'm glad to have this to go with my Pillow Talk lip liner. So that is the advent calendar. I did get some more things, so I'm going to show you those in just one second. But let me finish showing you this. Now, they were also having a special that you got, if you spent over a certain amount, you got a free palette. So I got that, but I also got one other little thing, and it came in this. So this is what it looks like in here. They gave me a sample of Legendary Lashes, so it's the same mascara that's in there, but it's a small one. A sample of the Collagen Lip Bath. So this is Collagen Enhanced Lip Plumping Effect. I have never used it before, so it's just one of those little thingies there. So we'll see. I wonder if it's one of the ones that stings. I don't know. I've been wanting this forever, and you can see the big mess behind there. I've been wanting this forever, but the full size is like $60, $70 or more, and I don't know, I just have a hard time paying that much for a piece of makeup. So this is basically the travel size or the small size of it, and again, this is the Film Star Bronze and Glow. So a lot of people love this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. This is a great color for me because it's not super duper dark. Because of my skin tone, things can turn dark and muddy and orange really, really quick. So these are really pretty. All right, I can't wait to use that. And this is the palette that I got for free. Color-coded eyeshadows. It is the color, the Bella Sophia. She puts a number on each one so that you know how to use it. And I'm not sure if there's like a, oh no, she's telling you like, here's one, you do that first, here's two, you do that second. All right, that's what it is. It's pretty. So that's really, really pretty. So what do I think? Do I think it is worth the money? Here's what I think. I think that if you're gonna pay full price for it and not get any type of discount, any type of cash back, anything for free, like I got the free palette, if you're not gonna get any of that, I would say it is not worth it. Flat out not worth it. There's some really cool products in here, but I think if you're gonna pay full price, I would say no. I mean, if you wanna get something that's just fun to do and you don't mind splurging, then hey, yeah, go ahead. If you get it on sale, you get some cash back, maybe through Rakuten or whatever, maybe you can get something for free, then I would say, yeah, go for it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Follow me on Instagram. I keep forgetting to tell you guys. Here is my Instagram handle right here, but yeah, I'd love for you to follow me. I will follow you back. I hope you're having a great day. I will talk to you soon. Bye.